Have you ever wanted to start your own business but couldn't just because you don't think you have enough money? Or have you perhaps postponed a business offer because you want to save more money first? Well, you aren't the only one to experience these things. Many individuals have given up their dreams and aspirations in business because of financial constraints. But if you were to ask successful businessmen, they'll tell you that money is not the issue. This video will tell you things you need to understand to start your own business even if you lack in the financial aspect. Before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content just like this. Now let's get started. Here is what you need to do. Money isn't everything in business. Although money is needed, it isn't the only thing that keeps things going. It's merely a tool to acquire things that we need or want, and it cannot stand alone. Even if you have a lot of money but you lack the skills to run a business, you'll still end up having to close it. To better understand this, imagine a man who doesn't have any background nor experience in painting. Even if you give him the most expensive watercolors and brushes, you can never expect him to make perfect artworks. He lacks the skills and understanding of the elements to do so. Do not think of money as the most powerful thing in business. If it were true, Yahoo, Nokia, or any company with millions and billions of dollars should be successful by now, but most of them aren't. Money isn't everything. Focus on learning skills like marketing, leadership, and negotiation instead. Start offering services. One of the most common mistakes in starting a business is immediately wanting to produce a certain product. The whole production process includes factory and equipment, research, marketing, and more. All of which require money too. If you're just a beginner, this can be overwhelming for you. This is why it's smart to start with services you can sell first. Other service-based enterprises require little or no upfront capital. Put a stop to the production of your goods. Consider starting a service-based business. If it is successful, you can launch a product-based firm with ease. Work with partners. 2 heads are better than 1. This principle also goes well with business. Since business is a field of leverage, look for people who can bring out the best in you and put you into an advantage. See what you have and list down what you don't have, like skills, money, or time. Then, get someone who can back you up on the things you lack and at the same time can benefit from what you have. Seek out good partnerships to develop your skills and dreams. Talk and negotiate. Just like how big company owners do it, you need to negotiate your terms when starting a business too. For example, if you need raw materials or other resources but don't have enough money, you need to negotiate and try to draw out the best price. This is also a skill you need to develop so your partnerships do not go to waste. Always negotiate your shares, plans, and tasks. To know more about it, you can read books that tell you how to negotiate with men. Know how to prioritize important assets. Let's say, for example, you're looking forward to starting a salon as a business. Start by knowing how much money you are willing to pay and how much to allocate for a specific item. This is where some people make mistakes. If you want to start a business, you'll most likely need a place for it. Some people spend an unrealistic amount of money just to get their ideal office or pay for the most beautiful website and buy everything you think a business needs to run. If you don't have any money, this might be very overwhelming. However, we should remember that even the biggest companies like Google, Apple, and Facebook started in their own rooms and garages only. Every business you have in mind can literally start anywhere you want. Prepare to go out of your comfort zone. Just like anything in this world, success in the business world does not happen overnight. You can be doing it for years already yet feel like there's no improvement. This is due to the fact that in order to fly and soar high, you must first learn how to crawl, walk, and run. The development stage of your business will surely make you go out of your way and step out of your comfort zone. It will push you to your limits and see if you're tough enough for this industry. For example, there are owners of big shops now that have experienced having to peddle their products house to house just so they can have sales. Business owners had to experience everything from bottom up for them to see the success of their business. If you want to start a business without much money, you should be willing to go through more of these struggles and humbling experiences. Endure it and make the right choices so you'll be guaranteed success. Entrepreneurship is not for the weak. You cannot go into business just because you have money, nor does money become an excuse for not starting one. A good businessman has to have good skills and knowledge too. Do your best and remember that great things take time. You might need to go through a lot first, but keep hustling and persisting and you'll definitely see the results of your hard work. Until next time. Thank you for watching.